Hi everyone, in this video we're taking a look at how to brew tea for a group. If you're interested in premium tea, make sure to subscribe to our channel for new videos like this one each week. We love sharing our passion for tea with friends and family, and there are a few ways that make it easy. The first is the Chinese GONGFU brewing method, also known as Chinese tea ceremony. This simple preparation technique was developed as a way to serve multiple guests and bring out the best flavor from a tea. In this method, tea is prepared in a small brewing vessel, then decanted and served into small tasting cups. In this style, we like to enjoy the tea on its own without food, since it makes a great centerpiece for conversation and creates a memorable experience for guests. Our GONGFU collection has everything you need to get started with this brewing style. If you're hosting guests over a meal and want to incorporate tea, we recommend brewing for the table in a larger vessel, like our Blossom glass teapot. Since the food will take center stage, this provides a more casual way to add tea to the experience. Finally, when the weather warms up, our favorite way to enjoy tea is cold brew. Cold brew tea is the easiest way to brew and makes a great addition to pool parties, potlucks, and other summertime gatherings. Our cold brew kit has everything you need to explore this delicious tea style. To learn more about premium tea, visit redblossomtea.com. Make sure you leave a like and comment below if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on future videos.